Hello freedom traders, this is your boy Collins FT. Guys, this is just a continuation of the previous video that you watched from this channel. So I didn't want the video to be very long, because when it's long it doesn't make too much sense again. So I had to stop it, I had to cut it so that we can continue with this other one and see what happened after this. So it's part 7. That one was part 6. This is part 7 of the Euro USD back testing. So if you've watched the video, you understand what happened before price reach here. So let's say now we are at this point. The trade is already void. We don't want to be greedy. We don't want to say, okay, since it did like this, it's gonna reach here. No, we have to chill and understand what price is gonna do next. So at this point now, it has hit this level. What is it doing? Has it rejected? This also is void. So this is one thing, guys, what I'm doing, because usually when you make a good trade like this, like the one I just deleted, you get so excited, then you lose that money with your next trade. So what I'm trying to do now, what I'm going to teach you guys, is to be very careful, how to be very careful when you make such amount of money. First thing you do is, if it's really good, some people will just some people go all in, because such a trade, as I said in the video, it's an all-in trade. Like if you have $10,000 in your account, you can just go $10,000 all in, because that was a very it was a very clean trade. It followed all our confluences. It was very clean. We did lose a bit. So what I'm just trying to say is, you should be careful when you make such a very big trade like that. You save some money for the rainy days. So now it has happened as it is like this. What we do next is, this is a level. What is it going to do at this level? Is it going to continue to go down? That is none of our business, but we want to observe what it's going to do at this level before we decide if we're still going to enter a trade or not. Okay, so now it actually went down, but how did it end? It ended with a buy signal. So this tells you it has no intention of going right down. As you can see, guys, it formed a hammer, though it's not a green color, it's still a red color, meaning it might still want to go down, but it's warning us already that no, price might want to go back, minus a very bearish momentum candle that just blew previously, you see. So okay, this is another. When you see, first guys, when you see a buy confirmation, I mean a buy signal, the next thing you're waiting for is a buy confirmation, which this one might be, but it's not really a clean one. It's not really a clean one. But what I would do is, first, this is our levels here. This is our take profit. Yeah, so first you get a buy signal, the second is a confirmation. The confirmation is for you to enter. Confirmation means it's an entry. So at this point, are we gonna enter? Because price is below this level. Because the level, for me, I still consider it valid, but right now it shouldn't be. It should be acting. Now this is the lowest one. Okay, this is the lowest one, and this one should be the lowest one. So this, at this point, guys, if the next candle that follows breaks this one, then it's a good thing. Usually I will put it with this, but it was there already, so we just let it go like that. This is not yet confirmed if it's a level or not, because price might still go down like this, and that level will be void. So with this is not, it's just 50-50 guys, buy confirmation. So we can go just a very small lot size here, then we take our profit here if possible, just a very small lot size, not too much, but expecting that price will give us a hammer just like this, but a blue one, but a green one, or something like this but engulfing. Because the reason why I say this is 50-50, because it's not engulfing, it didn't engulf this candle, just it almost engulfed it, and that is also a reason why I'm thinking it can be a buy, because it almost engulfed it. So we just put a very small lot size here. Remember, we made big money here, but we have to put just a little bit here and see if it goes our way. If not, no issues. It is what it is. Oh, okay. So this was huge, guys. This was November, because always it's November. February also, it's a good time. So at this point, guys, this is a bullish momentum, which always is not confirmation of a directions. Like example, this one, it actually, you could think price will be going right down, but so a level is broken. When it's like this, guys, I will go out. Yeah, it's like this, I'll go out, or I'll wait for the next candle. If it breaks, I'll go out at the next candle, because already price giving you this, it's a good thing. You don't have to be greedy to wait for price to continue to hit this one first. Okay, see, this is what I was saying. If it's like this, I'll go out, but one never knows. So this is not actually a sell for me, because this is a momentum candle, so I cannot just think it's a sell already. So this is profits, guys, and actually we are in profit. Let's see if you actually hit. Anyways, if it hits, then it's a good one. Wow, okay. So this could be a sell signal, but this bottom is very clean, guys. It's so clean and very flat, no wick. I don't trust it. And also, it's not red, it's green. The candle is not red, it's green. It hits already, it touched already the moving average, though it rejected, but it doesn't say that it has completely rejected, because there is no wick here. So guys, I don't trust this one. What I trust is my profit is already there, and if I didn't go out here, whosoever was holding, guys, I beg you, you can get out here. Excuse me. Wow, okay, this was so clean also, guys. This was so clean also. Whosoever held was a good decision, but it doesn't happen like that all the time. I would say it doesn't happen like that all the time. So this is just to tell us about more of candlesticks, guys, and levels. You see, it hit the level, and how it reacted, it shows this was actually a level. So whatever happens inside here, guys, usually I don't trade inside here at all. I don't trade inside here, because unless price gives me a buy signal here, because already it's trying to trade, it closed above the moving average, that is when I can buy. Or if it gives me a sell, I can sell, but usually inside here it's not a good idea. So guys, also we might be saying price didn't retest, at least when it broke this 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 trend line. Remember, this was a trend line, it did break already. Usually, as we know, it will come back and retest before coming down. So might be price is going back to retest that trend line, we never know. But we are already good, we had our profits already. We might be greedy to wanna hold until here, but I'm out already, guys. I'm out, and we can stop the video here. But just for curiosity, just for curiosity. Let's see what happened next. You see guys, this is a good level. See, so this is where I didn't want to enter, because this is actually a good one. But as I said, I'm already good, and this also, it's not completely above the moving average, so I don't get any confirmation that hey, it's gonna buy. Yeah, but as I said, the video was supposed to be off already. That was just out of curiosity. If you want to be more curious, uh you can wait for the next video, guys, and I'm gonna kind of make an update on this, because this was actually an interesting time. This was February, yeah, January to February 2002. Wow, it was very interesting at that time, trading, guys. I think people were making a lot of money at that time. Yeah, I think so. uh, okay, so this already was a good trade to avoid. For entering here, we are expecting price to go then and hit at least this trend line, retest it, then come back. But just out of curiosity, see, it never went. So that's why I didn't enter, guys. I didn't enter because it was not very clean to me. So thank you, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe as usual. And I thank you for being my first subscribers. I really appreciate, and I hope you guys will get more from this and help you with your trading journey to freedom. Thank you. See you again.